Hi guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and today we're reacting to Azlan and the Typewriter, and this is Jangan Khianati Aku. My reading skills is -20. But anyways, guys, I if you don't see the full reaction on YouTube, go to the description and check for the full link to the reaction. But anyways, guys, before we do start, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell button to get notified whenever I do upload a video. Anyways, guys, let's check this out.
Yang memilih aku ada dirimu. Jika
Who's
benar
this?
itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku,
He has
percaya
the
selalu.
aggression. Ooh. This is about to be great. They are in Interstellar right now. Are they coming to Earth? That guitar is something else. I'm in love before they even started. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, I love the emotion, the intensity. How is his voice not hurting? Ugh. That shoe is definitely out of this world. My pants, right? Literally. They all killed it because the instrumental is just is extra. I was gonna say something. It's definitely like very. I don't want to use the same font. It's also out of this world. vocals for days. Some people say he's still doing that note until today. Ooh, I like that exit. It's like holographic. Nice. Azlan and the Typewriter never lets us down. Like, that performance was on another level. Okay, was it earthly level? Was like galaxy level. These people, oh my gosh, I wish everybody wins because it's just, they're just all so freaking good. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave in the comment section down below what other videos like to react to. The original link of this video will be in the description box down below, so it's my social media link. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.